Hi friends, today I have got a little bit of a different kind of a holiday haul for you. I went to my Mary Kay ladies, like I don't really buy Mary Kay, but I do like one of their acne products, like for my teenagers. Anyway, well, I only have one teenager left, but all of my teenagers have used it. Anyhow, so I have a Mary Kay lady and she invited me to her little holiday like open house thing, and I did pick up a few things, so I thought I would share them with you. Obviously, I need to look through that. She gave me a couple of catalogs. I guess that I could share them, or they're different ones. I don't know, but I need to look through that and see what's in there. Here is my cute little... She got me with the bag, okay? She had this in the clearance section, and I paid way too much for it because it's kind of cheaply made, you know. But, you know, like a lot of the Mary Kay bags in the past, it used to be made a lot more substantial and better. But I liked how this had like a little bottle holder or, you know, makeup, foundations, type things like that. You can put stuff like that in there. And I just thought it was cute because it had the cute little eyes and lips. That's really what sold me, as well as the color, and just because she had it in her clearance thing. So I picked that up. I really didn't pick up very much because I have no idea what's going on with Mary Kay makeup these days. It's been over 10 years since I've been in Mary Kay, but she gave me a cute little like bracelet or something. I don't know. So she had this little thing going where if you buy three good Lord, this branding. She had this little thing going where if you buy 3 lip things, you get like a deal or something like that. And so I picked up these two. Hold on. Sorry to bump the camera. I picked up these two really beautiful. Oh, Jesus. Okay. I picked up these two really beautiful Mary Kay lip glosses. They look really pretty. I've got them upside down, I think. Yeah. But I just thought they looked really beautiful. So I picked these up. Let's see, do I have glasses on me? No, of course I don't. So I can't tell you the shade names, but maybe you'll be able to see it. I don't know if it's backwards. No, that looks like it's not upside down. But there's that shade. It's the kind of like taupey gold one. And then for this one, it is that upside down? This way. Is it? Yeah, I think this way. There's that shade there, and it's kind of like a pretty pink sparkly. So I picked up those two things, and then their lip liner like would not budge. And I picked up a color that was really different for me. Let's see. Like one that I didn't already have, I believe. Like I don't have any of their other makeup products. This is my first Mary Kay makeup purchase in like over 15 years or 10 years or something. But this is a shade that, why did I get this shade when I already have this shade in Lolita? I don't know. Anyway, it looked really beautiful on the swatch, and I felt like it was something that I didn't have. So maybe she gave me the wrong shade, or maybe I was confused, or maybe it was, I don't know. Anyways, yeah. These are the 3 lip products that I picked up. And then, oh, jeez. I also decided to give their brow stuff a go because my Rare Beauty brow gel is almost done. And I don't know, she had it there on the table. It was like $10 or $12, something like that. And so I thought I would pick it up. So there's that. And then again, oh yeah, it was a buy 3 lip products, get this free, I believe, something like that. Yeah, and I really wanted this. It was so cute. It's got the little lipstick as the zipper, and she only had a few of these left in her stash or whatever, but it's like a little lip liner book. How adorable is that? You can put your little lip liners in here. It's got two, you know, or two, like a lipstick and a lip gloss or whatever. And then, you know, you can use it as your wallet so that you don't have to take everything else with you. But I don't know. I just thought it was really cute. I love that it's got a little mirror so you can like fix your lips. And yeah, I couldn't help myself. So I was going to try a couple of those lip things anyways. And I decided to just add one more to the bunch so that I could get this cute little bag from her too. Because I'm a sucker for makeup bags and organizers and stuff like that. So anyway, yeah, is that everything? Yeah, that's everything. I don't want to tell you how much I paid because I definitely paid too much. But, you know, supporting a quote-unquote small business, so to speak. Not really. I know it's an MLM and they're really frowned upon. But, you know, just let a girl live. I picked up some lip glosses, a lip liner, and a couple of cute little bags and a brow thing, okay? It's not that big of a deal to me. Anyhow, so yeah, that's today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. I know it was short and sweet, but this was my little Mary Kay holiday open house haul from when I stopped by my director, when I stopped by my Mary Kay lady's little holiday open house that she held last weekend. So yeah, thought I would share this with you. Let me know if you have tried any of these products. Let me know if you enjoy any Mary Kay makeup products or whatever. Maybe I'll add some things to my wish list to try at some point. Yeah, I told her I was really curious about their makeup bag. About their makeup brushes, and that I wanted to go by and check them out in person to see if maybe I wanted to buy some. But honestly, I've purchased enough makeup brushes, which reminds me, tomorrow I've got a makeup brush haul for you. Which reminds me, I've got to share some of my new makeup brushes with you. So yeah, that'll be coming up really soon. But that's going to do it for today's really short and sweet little Mary Kay holiday open house haul. If you enjoyed today's video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. I would appreciate if you click the like button. It really does help my small channel out so much, especially during this Vlogmas algorithm time of the year. And, you know, it's hard for somebody like me to get views on my channel. So I would appreciate it if you would just, you know, check out some of my Vlogmas videos if you want. I will leave my Vlogmas playlist down below. I've got daily makeup uploads from December 1st through December 25th to celebrate Christmas with you. So yeah, anyways, that's going to do it for today. Make sure you're subscribed before you go. It is absolutely free to subscribe to me. So down below, beneath this video, there is a subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click that button before you click out. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.